With 2021 around the corner, a majority of the workforce around the world are working from the comfort of their homes. Why? Of course, due to the current circumstances of the ongoing pandemic. Now, it should come as no surprise to you all that thousands of companies will continue to work from home until an effective solution to the situation is obtained. Now, with this, overall reachability reduces in between the candidates applying for a job and potential recruiters as well. And of course, there are new trends being set for the year 2021 in terms of careers. So along the scope of finding and understanding the top career options that you can choose from can get a little confusing. Now, keeping this in mind, we here at Great Learning have come up with a video guiding you all on the top work from home career options for the year 2021 and beyond. Now, before we begin with the video, let me take a second to tell you about Great Learning Academy. We started out this venture to provide free courses and free certification across a variety of domains, be it data science, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, machine learning, and a lot more. And of course, these courses are taught by subject matter experts and they are available in multiple languages. And I'm sure you guys already know the value that a certificate adds to a fresher resume, right? So keeping that in mind, make sure to check out Great Learning Academy. More details about it are furnished in the description box below. And of course, on that note, if you guys are new to the Great Learning channel, do take a second to hit that subscribe button and the bell icons that you'll stay in touch with all the content we put out. And if you enjoy the content you see, we would highly appreciate if you could like the video and share it among your friends and family members. Now, quickly coming to the key takeaways of this particular session, we're going to perform an analysis to see what work from home is like. And of course, we can check out what work from home will mean once the pandemic is done. And then we're going to check out the top 10 work from home career options for the year 2021 and beyond. And we're going to summarize the entire session as well. Well, of course, working from home seems to be the new normal right now, and it is going to stay the same way until a vaccine for the ongoing pandemic comes out. But fret not, you have everything at your fingertips, right? You might have a really good internet connection, which would definitely be your biggest resource into finding a very good career option. And it makes it very easy to sit at the comforts of your home and learn new things. And of course, you can have the convenience of time itself to upskill yourself. And largely applying for jobs sitting right at home is quite the same as if the world weren't in this current situation. So it's pretty much a win-win for the people who like working from home. But if you do not, and if you prefer working towards getting into your office, understand that there will come a time because the vaccine seems to be around the corner. Now, talking about the post-COVID work from home trends, there are certain companies, big companies, they are expecting an entirety or majority of its workforce to continue working from home, from 2021, at least a year ahead is what we've heard. And when you're thinking about how the growth of the IT industry is progressing, there is long-term stability right now, and there is immense potential for growth, especially in the year 2021 for the entire world of information technology. Many surveys were conducted in the year 2020, and it showed that a lot of workforce, a majority of workforce are happy working from home, and they prefer the same because it saves them a lot of effort and time commuting to and fro towards the office. And now, diving right into the first career option, it's of a technical content creator's role. Well, technical content creation is one of these roles where you will have to educate people and entertain people by putting out amazing content, be it technically or be it graphically. Just driving a good user experience is all that matters. So it's not just putting out great content that a content creator should work on. It's also about how this content can get deployed, and working on the strategies to push out the content to the world is very important as well. Well, now more than ever, a lot of people are looking towards content creation, and there is a huge spike in the requirement for technical content creators right now, and we predict that it's going to be the same throughout 2021. The salary trends are really good, with an average salary of 5,10,000 rupees per annum in India, and of course $56,000 per annum in the USA. Now, with this coming to the second career option that you can look at, it's of a digital marketing management role. Now, digital marketing is something that every brand, product or service out there can make use of. It's very vital for everyone out there because promoting your content and showcasing your products and putting the products out for the world to see is something that is very much in requirement today. Now, there is a steep rise right now because there are so many new companies that itself got established in the year 2020, and they seem to be growing at a really good pace as well. Now, all of these guys are going to require a good amount of marketing, and all the companies, all the giants who already exist, of course, pour in billions of dollars for their marketing requirements too. With that, the salary requirements are really interesting with an average salary of around 6 lakhs per annum in India, and of course, around $61,000 in the USA. With this, coming to the third career option, which is a very popular role, it is of a Python developer's role. Now, Python development is one of these careers that is of staunch requirement today. You might already be aware that Python is one of the world's #1 programming languages, and hence it gives it more reason for many companies out there, if not hundreds of thousands of companies and developers alike, who widely adopt it for their requirements. Now, with this comes a huge requirement, a huge demand for expert Python developers. And of course, to fill in these gaps, you definitely should look in towards a career in Python development. The salary trends are amazing as always with Python development, with the average salary in India being 9 lakhs per annum. And of course, in the USA, it's around $80,000 per annum. And then coming on to the fourth important career role that you can consider, it's of a business development specialist's role. Now, business development is one of these important roles that's taking off really quick because it is key in increasing the profitability of a company, making sure that you understand market trends, making sure that you build strategic relationships where you pitch your products and reach customers effectively, building strategies upon that, and making sure you drive in more sales is all about business development. And it is of key requirement now more than ever, with new companies coming out and of course the companies already existing willing to expand their workforce in an exponential manner. The salary trends are really good, with the average salary in India around 8.35 lakhs per annum, and of course in the USA it's around $73,000. Coming on to the fifth important career role that you guys can consider, it is human resources. Now, be it a small company or a multinational corporation, well, all of these guys require human resources in one way or another. Now, if you already saw the increase in requirements for all of these roles that we have already discussed, understand the people that are hiring for these roles are human resource experts. So it should come as no surprise to you that a human resource expert is in the need right now, because working towards understanding jobs, analyzing them, designing new jobs, working towards designation and making sure they bring in the right workforce is extremely important. They also deal with performance management and even work towards handling the current employees, the financial aspects of it, and a lot more. It's a very trending career right now, and the salary numbers are really good. The average salary for a human resource expert is around 7.5 lakhs per annum in India, and of course it's $73,000 in the USA. And then coming on to the next career option that you guys can consider, it's of a web developer's role. Now, web development is something which is rapidly booming, with JavaScript being the highest search keyword in the year 2020. Now, when you think about JavaScript, there are multiple flavors of JavaScript which are mainly used for web development, be it front-end development or back-end development. Now, on that note, every single company out there must have an online presence, and websites and web applications are the way they do that. With new companies coming in with new websites, this sure is a bulletproof career to have. And one important mention is with the rise of artificial intelligence and its connection to the world of web development, the trends seem to be very attractive for the year 2021 and beyond. Considering the salary numbers, they are very attractive, with an average salary of around 9.5 lakhs per annum in India, and of course around $85,000 in the USA. And then coming on to the seventh 10th career option that you guys can choose in the year 2021. It is cloud computing. Now, with the majority of the world working remotely, where they might not have huge server racks sitting in their homes, this works in favor with the entire process of remote working. So career computing experts are in need for the year 2021, right? Now, again, artificial intelligence needs a mention here, because when you think about how AI is leaching in towards multiple domains, leaching, of course, in a good way, where AI and cloud computing solutions can get that much more powerful in the coming years. And of course, the cloud computing market is estimated to grow over 40% in just 1 year. And this is a market which is valued at multiple billions of dollars every single year. Now, consider 40% of, many billions of dollars in this particular case. It is showing extremely strong potential for you as a career, and of course, in a domain as itself as well. And coming to the average salaries, the average salary is around 10 lakhs per annum in India and around $88,000 in the USA. And then coming to the next domain, it is virtual administration. Now, with thousands of companies working from home, it is very vital that they either outsource administration activities or make sure they hire in more virtual administration experts to sort out a lot of things with their current employee base, be it with the creation of business documents or be it responding to business queries, and of course, in provision of many services, be it either technically or in the terms of creative development as well. Now, virtual administration is one of these career roles that is taking off really, really well, and it is showing immense potential for 2021 and of course in the post-pandemic world too. The salary numbers are attractive, with an average salary of around 7 lakhs per annum in India and around $65,000 in the USA. And then talking about the 9th career option that you guys can choose for in the year 2021, well, cybersecurity is center stage. Now, so data privacy is something which is very important for a company regardless of the size. Now that a majority of its workforce are working remotely, it becomes extremely vital to make sure that all of these operations are monitored and to prevent the insider threats as well. And one thing you guys should know is that insider threats are increasing day by day. So prevention of unauthorized use of data or any sort of malicious activities is to be stopped, and a cybersecurity expert does just that. So again, a cybersecurity expert's role is one of these bulletproof roles that is going to withstand a recession, is what was deemed, and of course it is holding true to its regard. The average salary in India for a cybersecurity expert is around 9 lakhs per annum. In the USA, it's around $86,000. With this, we come to the 10th career option that you guys can choose for. It is graphic designing. Now, graphic designing is again one of the most trending work from home careers. This again, a lot of people have been searching for this particular domain. It involves a lot of creation in terms of aesthetically pleasing content for a wide variety of audience, be it in any domain, be it medicine, be it technical, be it non-technical, be it art, be it music. Graphic designing is required somewhere, and with that comes a lot of job opportunities that you guys can look towards as well. Of course, the main aim of a graphic designer should be to drive a good user interface or to provide good user experience solutions, because at the end of the day, aesthetics matter equally in terms of technical content and being in part with it. So with this, it becomes very vital that you understand the average salary trends of a graphic designer. It's somewhere around 6.3 lakhs per annum in India and somewhere around $74,000 in the USA. Now, to summarize all the work from home career options, you really have to note these important things. One, make sure you do a lot of research about the company that you're applying for. Since you're sitting at home, you might not have access to the company itself or the people who are working there directly. And this is a time where a lot of people might try to scam you. Be very, very aware of understanding how you can filter out work from home jobs, the actual ones versus the scams. It is extremely important. And of course, you can use the references of the already existing employees in the company, and then you can find out more about the company and get yourself hired, get your resume noticed, and easily get into the company as well. One very, very important pointer is make sure that you're extremely careful whenever you're putting down money up front, because there is a very good chance that a couple of companies might ask you to make an investment to either buy a couple of products or services before you begin your employment with them. And in many cases, these might end up being scammy offers. So it is very vital that you know all of these pointers to have a very fulfilling and a rewarding career in the year 2021. And of course, if you need more support about the career options that you've seen here, we do provide free course certification offerings for all of these at Great Learning Academy. So make sure to check out Great Learning Academy, where you can access more than 150 course certifications, and upon completion you can get a free certificate as well. With that, you guys are ready to work from home in the year 2021, and now that you understand the trends, you can be on your way to get that